join me on this walkthrough of our ADU before we get our drywall hung. We're going to see the studs, the insulation, the plumbing, everything that goes into the walls prior to hanging the drywall. The vapor barrier is up on the exterior walls to prevent thermal transfer and the buildup of moisture from condensation. If you'd like to follow along as we're finishing out this project, I'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. That'll let me know that you're interested in what we're doing and we'll continue to post videos about it. Thanks. Once our drywall and tape and mud is done, I'll get another video up showing another tour so you can compare the two. And that'll be our transitional phase onto finishing.